Yo, what is up, ZHC fam? It's your boy Z. Oh, damn it. A lot of you guys know about the Art Alliance I'm creating, this group of influential artists that are gonna work together. You guys are gonna be able to follow every single one of them. And today, I'm collabing with the first Art Alliance member. Yes, this is the first member reveal. It's TheBoxOfficeArtist, also known as James Raiz. So today, we're gonna be drawing each other as superheroes. We're gonna react to his drawing first, and we're gonna see if we can do it better. He also posted a video like this, except for it's gonna be the other way around. Here is James Raiz.
Hi everyone, my name is James Raiz. I am the box office artist, and thanks for having me here on Zach's channel, ZHC. Great to be here. And to my buddy Zach, who I've known for quite a few months now, congratulations, your channel is doing amazing. You are doing amazing work. So today, I got a challenge for you because, you know, you're an upcoming artist, reminds me a lot of me when I was your age, though I'm only this much older than you. But why don't we draw each other as superheroes? I drew you as a superhero. You watch me do that right now.
Get right into it. Here is the video. Oh boy.
Oh, this is cute. Oh, the picture you used is pretty cute.
I know.
It's cute.
Whoa, look at those pecs!
He's over-exaggerating.
No, I have these in real life. Big muscles. Whoa. You drew my eyes a little too big. My eyes are smaller
your
than
eyes
that.
are like... He's making it very, like...
Damn, wait,
manly.
that actually kind of looks like me.
Hey, that's...
Once he puts in the hair, right?
Ooh. Ooh, that's
Whoa,
really
whoa, that's so
good.
cool. I have this like cyborg thing on my eye.
I feel like this could be you 10 years later.
10 years later?
Yeah, right now you have a baby face.
No, I don't. Hey. Look at that costume.
That's pretty good.
That's pretty sick. Wait, I like how he did my pecs and shoulders. It's very accurate. Look, he's making me look so good.
Yeah.
Damn, this guy's thick. Does it look hot?
Yeah, he's taller than you. I'm kidding, I'm kidding.
Wait, look at all the details. Oh, James is so good at drawing like robot parts and stuff. So I think he's making me all like mechanical.
Oh yeah.
Oh, he's giving me a big weapon.
Yeah, look at that.
Wait, that's actually so sick. Look at the robot parts. There's so much
Is that
detail.
like a gun?
It's...
Or like your fist?
Wait, that's so cool. Is that a sword? Is it a sword? And I can fist all my opponents.
Ooh, what is that?
That's my hand.
It's a tiny hand.
Oh wait.
Oh.
Wait, that doesn't exactly look like a sword. I'm not sure what it is.
No.
What is it?
It's just like coming out of your arm.
Whoa, that is so cool. I have like art. Wait, I look like a transformer.
But I really
This looks so cool.
I like the way he like edits.
Yeah.
It's
It's so nice. Wow, I look like a half transformer, half human. See? And I have like a drill. Is that a drill?
Oh.
That's a drill, right? Where's...
Oh, let's...
Wait, I get such a cool weapon.
I wonder what color he's gonna make you.
Maybe. Like all silver? Damn.
It's like it's so proportional. Oh.
Ooh. Wait, his coloring's so good. Look at that.
It's so good. That actually does look like you.
Wait, I think he colored it digitally. Oh, look, there's even like a backdrop. Wait, I look so cool. Who is this handsome fella? Oh, wait, that's me. So it's like a normal robot hand for the right arm, and then the left arm's like a huge arm with like a drill. Well, we're gonna see if I can match him or do it even better. Do you think I stand a chance?
No. Wait, this is really good. No, I'm kidding.
Alright, we're gonna go ahead and redraw it. Let's go. Oh. is my drawing, you guys. I'll put them up side by side over here. This is mine. This is from James. Let me know down in the comments who you think won. Do you think I won? Do you think James won? Who do you think won? What?
He won.
Mine's not good.
Yours is okay. It's not bad. I'm so ugly.
Alright, well, there you have it, you guys. If you want to see his reaction to my drawing, I'm sure all of you guys want to, go ahead and check his channel out. I left the link in the description down below along with this video. Make sure you show him some love. And he's the first Art Alliance member I am showing you guys. And a little about the Art Alliance now that I have actually mentioned it. The idea behind it is pretty much like a group of influential artists. We want to build a community where you guys can come check out all our different styles, because honestly, I think every artist has something different they can bring to the table. And I think it will be really beneficial for you to see all types of styles, and we're going to be working together, challenging one another, and just growing as an art community. And we are going to include a lot of you guys in the videos because we're going to have art challenges, and you guys will be able to do submissions for that as well. Anyways, the trailer for the Art Alliance is dropping August 1st, and I will be announcing new members sometime this week, so make sure you guys watch out for that. Yeah, for the Art Alliance, we really want to engage you guys as a community. We want to build a huge family. There's gonna be 4 other members I'll be introducing very soon. I will have you guys do the outros and stuff for the Art Alliance videos, and I'll show you guys how to submit those. I'm very excited. Are you excited? Let's try that again. I'm excited. Are you excited?
Yes.
Yes! I hope you guys are excited too. This video shout out goes to Adamarutsu16. If you want to win a shout out too, all you have to do is join the notification squad, turn on the little bell, and let me know down in the comments when you're done. Hope you're ready for this week full of Art Alliance stuff. I will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Love you. Stay on the daily grind. Keep those pencils moving. Subscribe. Bye.